Calling all first-time home buyers, long-term or Airbnb investors, Micron or Air Force commuters, anyone who's looking for an affordable single-family home, your opportunity to purchase this nearly new home for under $450,000 that's actually located in Boise is finally here. This sweet home is located in the newer South Boise community of Locale, which is just 12 minutes to Micron, 15 minutes to downtown Boise, 15 minutes to Boise State University, 10 minutes to the Boise Airport, under an hour to Mountain Home Air Force Base, and just a few minutes from Costco. And Locale is not your ordinary community. It features a brand new community pool that is opening soon, pickleball courts, basketball courts, a playground, areas for your pets, a clubhouse, and a gym. And now let's check out the home, which is just across the street. From this darling front porch, you get an expansive view of the Boise mountain range overlooking the beautiful xeriscape landscaping. Heading inside, the entry opens to the light-filled great room, which also features that same great view. At just under 1,500 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an oversized 2-car garage, this 3-year-old home is better than new and filled with upgrades, some of which the brand new models don't offer anymore. LVP flooring throughout the main floor lead to the kitchen, which features quartz countertops, full tile backsplash, upgraded soft close cabinets with dovetailed wood drawers, a gas range, an upgraded composite sink, and a large walk-in pantry. It's truly the heart and center of the home. The morning sun streams into the generously sized dining area and overlooks the east-facing courtyard that's perfect for morning coffee, shady summer barbecuing, or enjoying relaxing and not having to waste the weekend on yard work. There's also a half bath downstairs, perfect for your guests. Upstairs are the 3 bedrooms, and let's check out the spacious primary suite, which has that great mountain view again. The attached private bathroom features quartz countertops, a wood-wrapped mirror, designer tile backsplash, and the upgraded soft-closed wood cabinets. 2 more bedrooms, and then the guest bathroom with quartz countertops, an upstairs laundry room, and 2 storage closets complete the 2nd floor. Back downstairs, we head to the attached oversized 2-car garage, which features plenty of extra storage on the side, a water softener system, and the driveway has enough space to park 2 cars, even a long truck. And around the corner here, this home has the walking path on the side, providing more space from your neighbors. And to make this home an even better deal, the fridge, the washer, the dryer, and the window coverings are all included. So if you're a first-time home buyer, an investor, or a budget-conscious buyer, hurry up to take advantage of this opportunity to own this sweet, well-maintained, and low-maintenance home with the perfect amount of space, located in one of Boise's best locations, all for under $450,000. Give us a call, text, or email and schedule your private showing today.